my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make the best Nutella buttermilk pancakes. You guys have been requesting for me to show you guys the way I do my pancakes. So today's the day, and in case you guys want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe you're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of buttermilk, 2 eggs at room temperature, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, your Nutella, and strawberries. Now these are ingredients, you guys. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so you can always add cinnamon, blueberries, strawberries, bananas, whatever you want into your batter. This, pancakes batter is just delicious and it goes with anything. It's just perfect. But like I said, you guys been requesting for me to do the Nutella because that's my kids' favorite, my favorite. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. But like I said, you can always add cinnamon and anything that you guys like for your pancakes. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so first we're going to start by mixing all of our dry ingredients. So here I have the flour. I have the 3 tablespoons of sugar, the half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 of baking soda. I'm just gonna mix it. Yeah. And then for my eggs, you guys, I like to mix them, or I like to beat them separate. So here I have my eggs. You can see. Okay, so I'm just gonna lightly beat them. Yeah. I'm going to put them in my batter, in my mixture. I'm going to add my butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 3 cups of buttermilk. So now we're just gonna mix it all together, and I like to mix it for around 2 minutes, you guys, not too much, because otherwise your pancakes are not gonna be fluffy and they're just gonna be black. And it's okay to have some lumps. Do not overbeat your batter. Okay, so that's it. So now we are going to turn on our griddle, and then we can start making our pancakes. Alrighty guys, so at this point we're letting our batter rest while we preheat our griddle. I have it set to medium-low heat, so like that we're just going to wait to preheat and then we can get started with our pancakes. Alright guys, so this is what your batter looks like after sitting for a few minutes. So now our griddle is hot enough. Alrighty guys, so once your griddle's hot, we're going to add a little bit of butter. And then I like to use about 1/3 of a cup of batter. So we're just gonna place it there. And then we're going to add Nutella. I like to use a little bit of Nutella, just put it in the middle. like that. And then we're going to add extra batter and just cover that up. If you like more Nutella in your pancakes, you can always add more. For me, I think this amount is perfect. So now I'm just gonna cook it for about 2 minutes, or until you start seeing like little bubbles on the pancake. That's when we're gonna flip it over. So once you see that your pancake looks like this, you're going to flip it over. And don't be scared. Voila. So the other side shouldn't take that long for it to cook. So just let it sit for like about 1 minute. Alright, so once your pancake is done, you're going to do obviously the same thing to all your batter. And then that's basically it for our pancakes. About 15 pancakes. So yeah, this is it. Alright, so I like to eat my Nutella pancakes with strawberries. So I'm just gonna place them on top just like that. And I mean, if you're, I think like this they go perfect, but if you want to add some syrup like myself, just gonna add some. And now the best part. You guys ready? Ready? You can see all the Nutella. And like that you get a little bit of Nutella on each bite. Ready? My favorite. Seriously, you guys, the best pancakes ever. After you give this recipe a try, you're never gonna go back to your box pancake mix. Alright guys, and there you have it, the best Nutella buttermilk pancakes. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and as always, if you do, please don't forget to send me your pictures through Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or Twitter. So make sure you tag me. And yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and just comment down below what are your favorite type of pancakes. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Alright guys, so this recipe is just delicious, hold on, can you restart it? Okay, I'll just retalk, okay, you just cut it. So you can never go wrong with pancakes. My kids, my family enjoy them for, our breakfast in the morning. But let me tell you what. Alright guys, so depending on what kind of pancakes you want to make, you can always add cinnamon, blueberries, or strawberries in the mix. These pancakes are, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
No, I'm just don't gonna say anything.
Alrighty guys, so you can always add whatever you want into your batter. This recipe, is seriously delicious, and the batter, I don't know what to say. Alright, so now we're just going to flip our pancake, and don't be afraid, okay? It's okay. Is it ready? Alright guys, so the first pancake that you make is not going to be perfect, okay? So, you have the choice to just make one and throw it away. I don't know how you guys feel, but I'm not going to waste it. So, I'm still going to finish cooking it, of course, all the way. But then, just to let you know, the first one is not going to be perfect. Damn! What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?